sometimes weekends just aren't long enough, which is why we created long weekend trips just for you. So what are long weekend trips? Basically just more days, more fun. Amalfi is our crown jewel. We can't get enough of it, which is why we created the long weekend for it. On a regular weekend trip, we hit up Sorrento, Capri, Positano, and Pompeii, but on a long weekend trip, it's all of those plus a nice climb to Mount Vesuvius, a day to lounge on a beach, and a day to explore the city of Naples. Another weekend trip that we absolutely love and adore is Croatia. You've spoken and we've listened. Not only do you have the opportunity to explore Split, but also the city of Dubrovnik. On a regular weekend in Croatia, you have the option of doing activities like whitewater rafting, ziplining, and going on an island boat cruise. And then you end your weekend in Krka Waterfalls, which is a national park. With a long weekend, you have the option of doing all of that, but also seeing another city like Dubrovnik. You can explore where King's Landing was filmed in Game of Thrones. So short weekend or long weekend? You decide.